Hey, and welcome back to another episode of What to Do. You see me smiling right now because we are at a light show and just the entrance looks like it's the best one that I've seen, just the entrance. So, Creation Museum, Cincinnati I think or at least near Cincinnati. Super cool. I'm gonna catch up to Will. It's kind of weird that I'm talking to a stick right now. Do you agree, Will, that this looks like one of the best ones yet?
Yeah, for sure. I think I also really like that this isn't going to be a drive-through. This is going to be a walk.
Yeah, walk through.
So the Creation Museum has this every year and it's called Christmas Town. The kicker is that the walk through the park is free. We came too late for this, but the website said there was a live nativity, which is free, a petting zoo, which is free, and a show called The Last Adam Show, which is free. The only thing you'll really have to pay for is parking. So technically, if you hike there, your entire experience is free. You can also visit the museum and eat a family dinner at their restaurant, but none of that's free. There's some other activities like zip lining that you can do, and we caught one zip liner on film over the pond if you can spot it in this video. In this video, we're going to see some life-size dinosaur sculptures by artist Buddy Davis and a whole bunch of bridges of every shape and size. So let's check it out together.
Walking in a winter stinking wonderland. This is cool. Can you sing me a song?
Chestnuts. That's all I got.
Pro tip, bring a coat because this is out of doors. But you don't have to wear your coat the entire time because there's a fire over there that we can warm our little toasty hands on.
There's a playground here for the kids and the kids at heart, except
I know that you want to play, but we need to go see the lights.
Okay, and then they also have ice skating over there.
This is like a 360 view. Like you look anywhere and there's lights.
You can see Rudolph up there, blinking the way.
They thought of everything!
Ah!
Pro tip number 2, take your time. We're stopping and enjoying this, and there's so many things that I've already looked at that I'm glad that I took a little bit more time to look at.
And so many ducks.
Yes, look, here comes more. You know they speak a language.
What?
You know they talk, right? If you go,
Go. Don't patronize them.
look at that gazebo. We gotta go in that thing. I'm starting to smell its poop.
Oh my goodness, look, the dinosaur's right there. There's another dinosaur.
Yeah,
Here it is for scale. That's Kelly. This is what you call a long neck dinosaur.
which side's his neck?
The left side.
We are now going on to the Golden Gate Bridge.
Don't rock the bridge, honey. This is not conducive to stabilizing a camera. Especially when Kelly's on it.
Oh, my teeth!
Hey, honey.
It's cold. Everywhere we look, there's lights. We look to the right, there's lights. We look to the left, there's lights. Except up. Well, even up, there's lights. There's someone coming. What do you think, Will?
It's so pretty here.
Yeah, and then there was also a zip line that goes over the water, and there's lights reflecting on the water, which is super cool.
That would be super cool to do. We should have thought through this.
BTW, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, click that like button and subscribe and bell notification, and that'll let you know whenever our videos come out, which is typically every single week. So, thank you so much for joining us, and we can't wait to see you next Friday.